What if I told you Excel charts and dashboard can be the reason you're not getting hired? A lot of data analysts can analyze data, but only few know how to tell a story with it. And that's exactly the superpower. In this video, I'm breaking down storytelling with data using real-world examples, analogies, and a framework you'll never forget. By the end of this video, you won't just know what storytelling with data means. You'll be able to apply it to your projects, reports, dashboard, and even in job interviews. So let's break it down. What exactly is storytelling with data? At its core, it's just the art of transforming raw numbers into narratives. Okay, so just think of it like you want to cook. Whenever you want to cook, you have to get the ingredients. After you get the ingredients, then you proceed to the kitchen to cook. When you are done cooking, then you serve the final dish to the audience. And in the world of data, your raw data is like the ingredients that you want to use to cook. Cooking in this scenario is more like you creating your charts. When you're done creating all the necessary charts, then you proceed to tell a story from the charts that you just created. And that's exactly you serving the final dish to your audience. You just turned raw number into narratives. You see, when you give a dashboard full of charts but no context, it's just like serving uncooked ingredients to a guest. And you're expecting them to say thank you. Most hiring managers don't care that you know Excel or Power BI. They care if you can answer these three key questions. The first one is, what is the problem? What does the data say? What should we do next? A good data story does all that in under 5 minutes. Communication is the most in-demand skill for data roles, and it also includes presenting your findings. Now let's simplify storytelling with 3-step framework that I call PAR. P stands for problem, A for analysis, and R for recommendations. Now imagine you are analyzing a sales data set. Let's break that down using the PAR model. First is the problem. The problem states that sales dropped in Q3 across the North region. And next, we'll move to the analysis. In the analysis, we saw a sharp decline in repeat customers and product returns increased by 15%. Next, the recommendation. Introduce a loyalty program and review product quality with suppliers. We just told a data story, not just a chart dump. Now let me give you another analogy to explain this. Imagine being a movie director. The data set would be your actor, while the visuals that you create, like your charts and dashboard, are the set and the camera work. The storytelling from the visuals will be the plot line that keeps people watching. Without a storyline, your audience will stare at your dashboard like, okay, and so? Data storytelling makes your dashboard binge-worthy. Here are common mistakes analysts make. First, add too many visuals without insights. 2. Forgetting the business context. Another mistake analysts make is using technical language for non-technical people. Your manager doesn't care about R squared if you can't tell her why sales dipped, or trying to explain summary statistics to her when you can simply break it down to non-technical terms. Now let's go through this e-commerce stores transaction together using the PAR model. First, state the problem. We noticed a 22% drop in revenue in January. Now the analysis. From the chart, we can see that mobile traffic dropped drastically. Our ad spend did not target mobile user. And in the analysis, we just stated the reason for the problem. Lastly, we are going to tell our story and the action that can be taken. We lost mobile traffic, which hurt sales. Next time, allocate 60% of ad budgets to mobile audiences. Now we've given the recommendation. Now imagine this in your dashboard with clean visuals and clear narrative. This will be a game changer. In conclusion, data storytelling is not about looking smart. It's about making data useful. And when you tell clear stories, your report gets noticed, your dashboard will get used, and you get remembered. If this is your first time on this channel, make sure you subscribe and like for more content like this. And if you want the cheat sheet of this PAR model, I've linked it in the description. I'll see you in my next video, and bye for now.